The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
What advice would you give to other aspiring entrepreneurs?
Don't believe the hype. No, the biggest thing I always tell people is really just when you pour your purse into your mind will pour back into your purse or your wallet. It's interchangeable, meaning that I tell people every single day, work on yourself, because I can start another business today and it failed miserably. But as long as I knew I gave my all, I could still have a smile on my face. But that's because I'm content with who I am and who I've become and what I'm aspiring to be. Because guess what? I just learned a new way of what not to do. So now I can pivot to that next thing and take those lessons and proceed and move forward from there. So the biggest thing I would tell any aspiring entrepreneur is work on yourself. The how-tos are simple. I work with a lot of people and teach them on business coaching and real estate investing. And I always tell them the real estate how-tos are simple. Work on yourself, understand the business, get your mind right and all those things. And I'm telling you, opportunities will fall in your lap, slapping you in the face, not knowing where they came from, but that's because you position yourself to start accepting those blessings of opportunity. So yeah, work on yourself is what I would say.